Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a unique Shopify store. First, let's pinpoint your unique niche. Understanding your target audience is crucial for standing out. Researching market gaps helps you find underserved customer needs, giving you a distinct advantage. Focusing on a passion or expertise will naturally guide your store's theme, making it authentic and appealing. This foundational step ensures your store resonates deeply with its intended customers, setting the stage for success. Next, let's craft a distinct brand identity. A memorable logo and consistent brand colors are essential for instant recognition. Selecting a unique store theme that truly reflects your brand's personality will make your shop feel special. Furthermore, writing compelling product descriptions with a unique voice helps tell your story and connect with customers on a deeper level. These elements combine to create a cohesive and unforgettable brand experience, drawing customers in. Now, let's focus on unique products and personalization. Offering exclusive items not widely available elsewhere immediately sets you apart. Consider custom product options or limited editions to create a sense of urgency and specialness. Providing exceptional product photography and video content showcases your items beautifully, giving customers a clear view of their quality. These strategies elevate your product offerings, making your store a destination for truly special finds. Finally, let's discuss engaging your audience uniquely. Building a strong social media presence with authentic content helps you connect directly with potential customers. Creating a loyalty program that offers exclusive benefits encourages repeat business and builds customer appreciation. Fostering a community around your brand through interactive events or forums transforms shoppers into loyal advocates. These efforts build lasting relationships, ensuring your unique store thrives and grows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.